Hello, scientists. It's Miss Brown. Last week, we learned about what happens when the earth heats up. Check your soil and water samples. What do they look like? What do they feel like? Do you observe any differences? Write or type your observations in your science notebook. This is called collecting data. This week, we are going to compare conduction and convection. Let's look at some examples. Remember, conduction is when the sun heats the ground and the air rises. Look at the handle get hot. It's turning red. That's from conduction. Conduction is also when the cup gets hot if you're having tea or coffee, and the spoon when it gets hot. Conduction transfers heat to whatever it touches, like the iron when it heats clothes, or baking cookies in the oven. That's conduction. Conduction challenge. Find 2 examples of conduction at home and draw, write, or explain your examples in your science notebook. Let's talk about convection. Remember, convection is when air is heated by the sun and it rises into the atmosphere. Wait, hold on. What is the atmosphere? The atmosphere is the layers of air and other gases surrounding our Earth. The hot air rises and the cold air sinks and becomes heated. Hot air balloons are heated by hot air. That is convection. Convection uses the heat that rises to do something. For example, heat coming out of this furnace rises to the top of the house. The cooler air is down below. You will see that in nature also. The warm air rises and the cool air gets pushed down. Convection challenge. Find 2 examples of something that is heated by convection at home. Draw or write them in your science notebook. So now that we know a little bit more about conduction and convection, are they the same or are they different? Write or draw about them in your science notebook. It's technology time! This week we're going to make our own Kahoot. I'm sure you've played Kahoot in your class before, but have you ever made your own Kahoot game? So first, go to Kahoot.com. You're going to need to log in using Google or just create your own login. And then number 3, create your own Kahoot. Make it all about you. What do you like? What do you not like? What are you good at? What are some of the things that we may not know about you? Don't make it too easy for us to guess. Share your Kahoot with me by using the share button. You can use my email. And we can choose one Kahoot at the end of each week to play. See you at the science chat. Thank you for joining me.